Welcome back to freeCodeCamp's Applied Visual Design section. This is Create a Gradual CSS Linear Gradient. Applying a color on HTML elements is not limited to one flat hue. CSS provides the ability to use color transitions, otherwise known as gradients, on elements. This is accessed through the background properties linear gradient function. Here's the general syntax. Background, linear gradient, and it takes these parameters, first gradient direction, then our colors. The first argument specifies the direction from which color transition starts. It can be stated as a degree, where 90 degree makes a vertical gradient and 45 degrees is angled like a backslash. The following arguments specify the order of colors used in the gradient. So here's our example, which we can copy, so we'll be able to see it right now. It does have 90 degrees applied to red, yellow, and this third color. Instructions say use a linear gradient for the div's element background and set it from a direction of 35 degrees to change the color from that color to this color. Note, while there are other ways to specify color value like RGB and HSL, use hex values for this challenge. Okay, we come over here, go in there, paste our code. So that's the one they gave us. We want to change this to 35 degrees. And then we're going to erase these three colors they added and add our own here. And okay, we get this gradient here, run test, and we did pass. One of the first things that I will point out if you are not passing this challenge is I did lowercase these. If you try to run test with capitals for the hex values, you will not pass it. So just make sure you are running it lowercase. And the important thing to learn from here is basically how to create nice gradient backgrounds. This is one of those that you'll have to play with to really see what it can do. Again, we can add more colors in here and change the degree right there and make a complete different visual look. As long as you're understanding that, you guys are getting these lessons, make sure to practice, practice, and practice. And I'll see you in the next lesson.